Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. Today we're going to be playing with crafty blocks. That's what they call these glass blocks. You can find them at craft stores. If you do not have a craft store near you, don't fret. From now on, in my description you will find links to everything that I'm using in this tutorial, plus everything that I normally use. They're Amazon links. It seems that everybody can find them on Amazon and everybody can receive them from Amazon. So these here are the 5.5, and these I know are 7.5. These are one step down. But you will find the links. Anyway, you need a small one, a large one. I'm going to be putting lights in them, so you'll need a couple packages of these. The ones that I'm using today are the wire lights. They're warm white. They have the 3 function, which means they have a timer. So at a certain time I can turn them on and then walk away. 6 hours later they will go off by themselves. The next day they will come on at the time that I turned them on today. So I can forget about them. I don't have to worry about forgetting to turn them off or whatever. You're going to be needing your batteries, of course. That's normal. You're going to need some two-faced tape, score tape, or you can use glue if you want. I am making these reusable. So what I'm going to make today is not going to be permanent. So I'm going to be taping a lot of stuff, and come spring, all I have to do is pull it off, clean up the block, and I can decorate for spring and summer. Scissors, Velcro. Because I am going to be using these, I do not want to glue these together permanently. So I am going to be using Velcro. You'll need about 5 inches of the both kinds, because it works. Just going to sit them on the Velcro so they stay sturdy. I don't want them accidentally being knocked off. Some construction paper, some white, some orange, some black. If you're using the construction paper, you're going to need some markers, colors, gel pens, whatever you like to use. You're going to need some of that. If you want, and this is not a permanent, so don't be afraid to use it. If you want to paint, don't be afraid to. Because paint on glass, just plain chalk paint on glass, will not stay. It will stay long enough, a couple months, and then you can bring it in, put it in your sink, take a sponge to it, wipe it off, and you've got a nice brand spanking new block. So don't worry about if you want to paint. Let's see, you're going to need something representing a scarf. You can get a scarf like at a Dollar Tree or whatever. This is just a piece of material that I had, so I cut it into a scarf. And you're going to need a hat. A child's hat would probably be better. I didn't have one. I had this old hat that's been around my house for quite a while, which is fine, but it needs to be able to fit over the little one, like that. And I think that's about it. So let's get to work here. First thing we're going to do is decide how we want to decorate this one here. And if you want just regular snowman, you got no problem. This is another option. When I put the lights in, I like to wrap it through batting. That holds the lights up so they don't all just fall down to the bottom. Plus it gives it the three-dimensional with the white in the background. So I will show you what I mean. Here, I've already done one up, and it's got the batting in it and the lights like this. Alright, and I turn it on, and I have lights, and they're all through, and I've already got my white background. Now I could put this and put my lights here, paint my faces on, you'd be done, you'd have a snowman. You could also, let's say you want your penguin, and you're in a hurry, and you're not artistic or whatever. Let's say you want a snowman really quick. So you print out the snowman face. Look at that. Even kids. You give your kid a piece of paper. Say, make me a snowman face. And you just stick it on with some two-faced tape. That's all there is to it. Okay, so you don't want the snowman? You want a penguin? You print out the face. You take some black construction paper for both the top and the bottom. Look. You got a penguin. Here. Let's put the penguin together here. Have that. Let's give him a little scarf. I should tape that down, but put the scarf around. Look at that. How easy is that? This is definitely something you could do with your kids. Give them a little piece of white paper, tell them to make you a face, turn it into a snowman, turn it into a penguin. How easy. Just little bit of imagination. That's all you need. And if you do, you know, like I said, if you don't have the construction paper, take your black paint with a sponge, dab it around the edges, put some eyes, cut them out of construction paper, cut a nose, cut a mouth, cut some eyes. Draw a face. That's all there is to it, guys. Wasn't that like the easiest thing you've ever seen? Just a little bit of imagination. Does not have to be fancy. Memories are what you make. That's what crafting is for, is to make these fun memories with your kids. This is a 30 minutes of time and a lifetime of memories right there. And the scarf. Put the hat on. Say hi, Mr. Snowman. How cute is that? So, I hope you enjoyed. I know it was short. I know there really wasn't any how-to. It was purely inspirational. Just tossing out some ideas. Trying to give you some of the little memories that I have. So, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great day. And I really hope to see you soon. Bye-bye now.